Today we're going to be looking at effects. So far we've covered starting template, basic structure, and starting the track, beginning the track, percussion, groove, atmosphere. So now if we look at all that and take it into play, we're pretty much just missing we're missing some effects. That's the next part of what I would generally do in a track. So what I'm going to show you today is just a different variety of effects. So one-shot effects, sweeps, crashes, things like that. And we're basically just going to spend the next 45 minutes to an hour filling out the first 33 bars, leading up to the breakdown as well. Leading up to the main bass drop is very important to build up the tension. And we really want to get a nice crescendo going. So the DJ, you are making tracks for DJs essentially. You want to make club friendly, DJ friendly tracks. So you want to make sure that the crescendos up to this point is good enough and is basically creating enough tension. So the DJ knows when to mix in a track and things like that. A lot of people fail in getting the tension right, and it just sounds a bit lackluster. So I'm going to show you today that part of the effects as well. So yeah, let's just get going. I've just done a little outline of a track. So just a track I'm started, Midway Amazon, a remix, very basic in a minute. I've basically just done the basic structure. I put some bass in, done the sub bass. I've put some atmosphere in there as well. For percussion, I didn't want to spend too much time doing that. So for now, I just put in a couple of loops. And yeah, so straight away, I'm just going to play the first 3 bars.